What's going on? This is Ryan. Sledding side by sides. We're in the middle of the blizzard of 2022. As you can see, it's snowing like absolute crazy out. We've been fortunately had that much snow. We only got about a foot, but like the UP, they're saying a couple parts got 3-4 feet. Parts like Southern Michigan, they got 3-4 feet. So yeah, we loaded up the sleds. We're gonna go hit some drifts out at the farm. We got 80 acres to go play on today. So yeah, it's wild. So we're gonna get these sleds out while we can, because right now it's what, 16 degrees, and Wednesday they're calling for 45 and rain. So this snow probably ain't gonna make it. Stuck.
I stopped when I shouldn't have. I was waiting for you.
Yeah. It's a bad thing.
You might be able to get it. I don't.
Don't seem like the track's spinning. Let me pick this up.
Which way you going?
Well, your way. One more time.
I don't know if I can do it.
God dang it. He's stuck. That's fine.
I broke the windshield. I went over it. I was trying to get it to the edge of this. I wasn't going fast enough to make both of them. Don't worry, I got it on film.
Oh, that thing's really stuck. Just shut it off for a minute.
Yeah, I went, oh dude, I wailed my chest, dude. It hurts.
You alright?
Gonna have to be. Yeah, I broke the windshield off. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I popped the whole thing, it's all. Drifts aren't my thing. I don't have any enjoyment of doing these. But I was trying to keep up with you. But my turd is not heavy like yours. If I can get this way, get out, maybe. Oh, still recording, even better. Oh yeah, don't worry, I saved this though.
Oh boy. You alright?
It is what it is.
That's not an answer.
Well, I'm living, I'm standing.
That's true.
Oh yeah, I will. I thought for sure I was gonna go over it, but that stopped me. And I caught the camera before I fell off. So.
I knew there was gonna be some huge drifts over here.
Well, I thought, I didn't see the depth. I gave it gas and thought I could get over it. I didn't have.
So you were pretty much in the air up this and you slammed this one basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can hook this and I can help move it. If we can get it over that way.
Yeah, ordering a new windshield.
Yeah, it's fine. Just tape it, we'll be good. If you can get that right there, you can barely even
That
tell.
one's broke. Oh well. At least you're alright. Yeah. Hold on. The joys of snowmobiling right here. Alright.
Hold on. Hold on.
Huh?
Hold on.
What's that?
Part of that I don't need. I would go backwards more with it. stay off the roads. Essential travel only. So we stayed home. Got our yard cleared off. And said, we hear the drifts are good. So headed out to the farm, about 20-minute drive from where we're at. Oh, he's gonna get the turd stuck. And did not disappoint. Did not disappoint in driftage, did not disappoint in, you know, breaking a windshield when you're doing drift hopping. It's not any fun if you don't at least break the windshield once. So, had a good day so far. Good enough. I'm stuck, that's alright.
Alright, just to give you an idea of how tall some of these drifts are, I'm roughly 6 foot. So these are 5 foot tall. These fields are completely flat. There's no roll, there's no nothing. These are completely flat.
Except where the drifts are and the snowmobile stuff.
I thought I was gonna make it. I really did. And then I could feel it set on the running boards. And I'm like, no, no, game over.
Yeah, I had faith in you.
That's pretty soft. We're gonna just.
What do we get?
It's gonna go over.
You're just gonna roll it over?
Yep.
Okay. What can I do to help you? Oh. Apparently that's one way you can do that, not break a windshield. Woo! Hey, that's pretty good. That deserves a cup of hot cocoa.
Woo! Well, that'll pretty much end this video. What an epic day, man. I knew it was going to be pretty wild. We got 80 acres out here. It's all flat. Wind's been blowing 50 miles an hour. Been snowing for 4 days, so I knew the drifts were going to be pretty gnarly. But, yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button like my wife smashed her windshield today. And, man, what just an epic day. We're probably going to go out tomorrow, but it's supposed to be 50 degrees by the end of this week, so I don't know how this is going to fare. But, yeah, this is the start of snowmobile season for us. This is the first big snow, so we're going to keep on rolling with it, man. So, appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one.